Good morning, students. In this lecture, actually, it's based on a doubt difference between some ready-made materials of 3ds Max like shellac or blend or top bottom. So we will see top bottom, shellac and blend. For that, first of all, create a plane so that we will have something for the reference. This is just a plane, and then on that we will put a teapot, that is a real good object for testing different types of materials and lights. So I just have two objects, not more than that, and press M. M is the shortcut for material editor. So M is for material editor. So this is our plane, and then create a teapot. Now as you can see, whenever we create material editor, we have 24 material slots, and if you want to add a material slot, basically it's like a table. So we can have thousands of materials, but once you create a material, you need to put that material into the library, and then from the library we can fetch it by clicking on get material. So first of all, click on a material slot, select the object and click on assign material to selection. Then click on standard, and in standard you will find the option of shellac, blend and top bottom. So once you click on standard, it will open another dialog box where we have shellac, shell material is also there, then top bottom and blend. Let's first of all go to blend and double click on it. Once you double click on blend or select blend material, it gives a message that there is already a material in the slot and you are creating a new material. So what should I do with the old material? Should I discard it or delete it, or should I keep that old material as one of the sub material? Because the new material which we are creating has multiple materials inside one slot. So I'll keep it on keep old material as one of the sub material. So these are the options of blend, where we have material 1 and material 2, where material 1 is a sub material and material 2 is also a sub material. So in material 1 we have the previous material that was present. Click on material 1, go to the material options and let's turn the color to red. To come back to the original options, click on go to parent, go to material 2 and here select color green. Now we have two colors, red and green. Again come back to the original one. Now if you render the current frame by clicking on Shift Q, that is for rendering the current frame, you can see only one material, that is material 1, because the mix amount is 0. If you keep mix amount to 100 and if you render, you can see only material 2. And if you keep the mix amount on 50, that means 50% mixing will be there, and this light brown color mixing of red and green will occur. So this is basically blend, where the two materials get blended homogeneously into one another. Now let's select another slot and apply the same material to the object. Now this slot is selected. Click on standard and click on shellac. In shellac again it will give you the same message. I will keep it on keep more old material as some material. Here again we have two materials, but the difference is that one material is base material and the other material is like a coating material. So for example, we do lamination, so we have coating of plastic over the other objects, so that is called as shellac. We have another layer over the first layer. Suppose if you take water-based colors, red and green, and if you mix them, that will be called as blending. But when you have coating of one color over the other, that will be called as shellac. And top bottom is little different. Top bottom is like you have one material at the bottom and another material at the top. You can also select top bottom. Again it will show you the same options, top material and bottom material. For top material you can have one color, say red, and for the bottom material you can have another color. Mainly this effect you can see more precisely on a sphere. Apply it and render it.